Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure August Smart Lock with Amazon Key Delivery Alerts detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the August Smart Lock installed on your door. Make sure the August app is downloaded on your smartphone. Open the August app and sign in to your account. From the main screen, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Smart Lock. Next, choose the smart lock you want to configure. Scroll down to find the tap on Amazon Key. To enable Amazon Key Delivery Alerts, you may need to connect your Amazon account. Follow the prompts to link your Amazon account with the August app. Once linked, return to the delivery section in the app. You will see options for delivery notifications. Select your preferences for notifications regarding deliveries. Ensure that notifications for package deliveries are turned on. Now, go back to the main screen of the August app. Tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. Under Notifications, confirm that push notifications are enabled. Make sure your smartphone's notification settings allow alerts from the August app. If prompted, adjust any permissions for location or background app activity. Now, to test the functionality, place an order with Amazon that is eligible for key delivery. Once your package is out for delivery, you should receive an alert on your smartphone. When the delivery arrives, you'll be notified that the door was unlocked for the delivery. Finally, check the August app's history to ensure the delivery was logged correctly. You have now successfully configured August Smart Lock with Amazon Key Delivery Alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.